Get mobile boarding pass American Airlines. Traveling with American Airlines, a mobile boarding pass makes check-in smoother, allowing you to skip long lines and head straight to security. In this guide, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of getting your American Airlines mobile boarding pass, plus some extra tips to avoid issues at the airport. Now, first things first, you want to download the American Airlines application. To get your mobile boarding pass, you'll need the American Airlines app. It is available on iOS, Apple App Store, Android, Google Play Store. You want to download and install the application before your trip to ensure a seamless experience. From there, let's go ahead and check in with our flight. You can do this using the application itself, or in my case, I'm going to do it from their website itself. Now, before we head over to our tutorial, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check them out. First things first, let's head over to the website right here, which is aa.com/homepage. Inside, we can then go ahead and book our trip. So in here, the first thing that you want to do is to go ahead and select your flight, which is going to be the flight option or vacation packages. Now, to make things easier, let's just go ahead and click on flight. From there, you then want to go ahead and select where are you coming from. So in here, you want to click on the magnifying glass option, click on this pop-up menu, and right after, you can now go ahead and select a country/region. From there, you then want to choose your state. And basically right after that, it will show us available airports on that particular state. Now you can just select the airport where you're coming from. And right after that, we can then select where to. So you then want to head over to this option, click on the magnifying glass once more. And right after that, we then want to go ahead and select which country are we going to. Now in my case, I'm going to the Bahamas and I'm going to this specific area right here. From there, we then have the departure and the return. Since this is a two-way trip, we can then go ahead and select the departure and return. But if you are planning to go there without a round-way trip, you can just click on the one-way option. Now, I want to depart on this date right here. And then I want to return into something like April 22. Go ahead and select the number of passengers, and then you want to click on search. Basically in here, you can then go ahead and select the flight for your case. And right after confirming your flight right here, you then have to enter your last name and remote or record locator. This is your confirmation number. Now basically, after confirming that you have booked your flight, you will get the record locator. You can then use this record locator to go ahead and enter it on the check-in options inside your mobile devices. Basically, right after entering the confirmation number, you want to follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your check-in on your mobile application. Now, if eligible, you'll see an option to get your boarding pass. You can check in 24 hours before departure for domestics and international flights. Basically, after clicking on the Get Boarding Pass, you will then be prompted through the screen right here, where you can then go ahead and save to your mobile for the mobile boarding pass. Now, after checking in, you'll be given the option to save your boarding pass digitally. Once again, you can go ahead and use your confirmation number for your flight in order to check in with your flight right here. Now, to go ahead and save your mobile boarding pass, you want to use the American Airlines application. Once again, your boarding pass will be stored in the apps under trips. From there, you can also go ahead and save this to your Apple Watch for iPhone users. You want to tap on the Add to Wallet to store it for offline access. And lastly, you can then save this mobile boarding pass via screenshot. If you're worried about internet access, you can take a screenshot as a backup. And so, you want to use your mobile boarding pass at the airport. Basically, your mobile boarding pass is for security checkpoint. You want to show your phone to the TSA agent who will scan your QR code. Once again, your pass will go ahead and look similar to this one. It's also for gate boarding. You simply want to scan your phone at the boarding gate when your group is called. And lastly, it's for bag drop if you are checking your luggage. Some airports require a boarding pass to drop checked bags. Now for some tips on troubleshooting issues. Sometimes technical issues can occur. Here's what to do if you faces the problem. Now if you don't have an internet access, you want to use airplane mode and open your save screenshot or Apple Wallet pass. Now if the app is not working, you want to restart your phone or log out and back into the application. If you can't find your boarding pass, you simply want to go through the trips category in the application to retrieve it. Now if you're still having some issues or troubles, you want to visit the airport kiosk to print a paper boarding pass. Now, here are some additional tips for extra smooth experience. Now, you basically want to check the airport Wi-Fi. Some airport offers free Wi-Fi, making it easy to access your boarding pass. You want to keep your phone charged. You want to carry a portable charger if needed. Update the app before your trip, and you want to ensure compatibility and smoother check-in. Now, you also want to double check gate changes. Gate sometimes changes, so refresh the app before boarding. And so before we finish out the video, you can also get your boarding pass on your computer. Now after checking in, you will be given multiple options to access your boarding pass. You want to download and print. Click on the print boarding pass button to print a physical copy. You can basically do that on your computer. You can also save it as a PDF. Select Save as PDF in the print dialog box if you want to store a digital copy on your computer. There's also the email boarding pass. You can email the boarding pass through yourself and later access it from your phone or another device. And now, using a mobile boarding pass with American Airlines is a quick and hassle-free way to get through the airport. Just check in via the app, save your pass, and scan it at security and boarding. If issues arises, just have a backup or visit an airport kiosk. Now safe travels and enjoy your flight with American Airlines. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for similar videos like this one. As always, thanks for watching.